Welcome to another Vlogmas video, and today we're in the parish of Trelawny, the Yam capital, and we're here to visit 105-year-old Ms.Estella Guthrie, a centenarian here in the parish, and in a few months she will be 106 years old in the month of February. But I have not visited her in a while, and she has been asking for me. And you know, when the elderly keep asking for you and send come call you, you better go. So today I'm visiting her for the first time in a long time. And you all know the road to get to grandma is not a pretty one. But nothing can stop us from visiting grandma, cause grandma is loved all over the world. I know she's going to be so happy to see me. You're watching Shan Zen Jamaican Vibes. Inspiring, motivating, showcasing Jamaican talents, and giving back to my Jamaican people. Shout out to Tanya from Massachusetts for sponsoring Grandma's Groceries.
Yes.
Hello!
Hello, Bami.
Hi, Grandma!
Then she not ever become, she said, from me forget.
I forgot to tell her who me be now.
Sean.
Yeah,
Shan!
Miss Frank.
Yes! I'm just trying to look for her.
I didn't see her.
I'm in here, relax.
Hey, maybe I've been donkey, me no bother buy no rope.
Okay, can I use my ear?
I do.
Oh, alright, you know how you?
Maybe I what me not forgot you.
Me I forgot you either,
No
man.
man. The Jose.
Him there, man, him alright.
In the too.
Yes.
In the house.
See him here, I hold your hand.
How you do, man?
Alright. Oh, yeah.
Come near me now.
Oh, you do.
I'm from Inambok. Alright.
Yes, alright.
What you all know about you?
I want the luck.
I don't know man is scary.
We manage, man. It's not heavy.
Me know, say I don't know head part, that's you know.
Yes, yes.
So now I written that.
Yes, ma'am.
We not go church.
We
No.
go, no, man, we go church too. Orthodox church.
So no go church.
Yes, Orthodox church.
Granny.
Yeah. Come.
Let's marry.
Alright, this is one of my friend from St.
It's a
Elizabeth.
mission's husband.
No, my friend from St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, probably St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, one of my friend.
And I own not there. I own no yard. I own no ears the ring.
Yes.
Me. She don't let call. No name. To myself.
Okay.
You understand? Because people are just kind to me. I can't forget them.
Right. True.
I'm ready to let me just pray. That's why me prayer. Me no leave no.
Yes, ma'am. You like melon?
I broke down van.
No. No.
I broke down back van.
No, Granny. I can't take this cup from her.
Give me the cup now.
Well, when you give her the cup, me can't.
Oh, no,
Melon!
Mary.
Melon!
Alright,
Give me the cup. Let go the cup. Let go the cup. I put down the cup.
You wait till I know me they put it.
Lord God.
When you're ready, you take it up after that.
You never see.
Okay.
So who is on the wall, the van?
No, Mr. Melon. Melon.
Our desire.
Melon.
Melon.
Yes.
In a court.
Cut it for her.
No.
Cut it, make she get. Alright. Half of it overripe, so we did have to cut off the top part. Is that
They're married.
She cut the melon so you can eat peace.
Cause you give me.
Yes.
Now give me big piece because I need to all the pop biscuit done.
Okay.
Just a little. You know?
Alright. You know?
Ready. Too big.
It too big? You say you cut it too big.
So we don't say bite it. It's too big. You give me too much.
You give her too much, Marie.
Eat it, Granny, eat it.
Cut you up put in a one dishes here. You find a knife.
Yes.
It's too wide. Cut in a two.
Just
So.
one dish there.
Yes.
Oh. She want to cut up. Too big. Stop it and
Just a
listen to
little
it.
slice up. And this I put in a middle of them for it.
Alright.
Listen,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm glad
Yes.
and can bless the Lord. Lay your hand there.
See me hand here.
Thank and bless you.
Yes, ma'am.
No, you're not sick. Family, so you don't get accident. You're sick again, though.
No.
Because you don't got a doctor.
Yes, ma'am. Alright, no, man.
And oh, no, do my yes, and you know, hear the ring.
Yes.
I made a put on prayer food.
Okay. Thank you.
You see, you have some people, not what you do to them, they're not mind back in this.
Amen.
So you see them trying me, anybody done any good to me, family or not family or, I have to praise them more than one time and pray for them.
Yes, Granny, true.
Let me tell
Yes,
you, and
amen.
me say, may the great God of heaven go before and go home
Yes.
and pirate the way for you.
Amen.
You hear me tell you?
Yes.
Me can't stop pray for you now.
Yes. Amen.
You see a little buffer, the woman I don't know she's down, I can't move again. Whether me pretty or me ugly.
You're pretty same way, man.
Me pretty.
Yes, man.
But me not much pretty, I'm not leave out God.
Okay.
Me not leave out God, Martha.
105-year-old now.
You see, because me not believe in the devil.
Yes.
Because devil no have nothing good for you.
That's so true.
Let me tell you.
When you live for God, you're pretty.
One time, you know,
Yes.
then Jim, he made a trouble.
Yes.
And then traveling, I feel like water tourists take me.
Yes.
And the same, let me turn so. You see what I'm from the right hand side of about that so. Round and place like a copper wall.
Yes.
And I got to the man. And I say, good morning, sir.
Yes.
And I say, good morning. And I said, please, sir. I look at water, I made a big water tray take me. Made a travel on water tray take me. And made a big look at water.
Yes.
Me say left the cup of wall and go round so. And I come back. When they come back, he say, and check in Chalam, in a navy mug. I say long.
Okay.
And in the church they give me.
Yes.
And the Spirit of God telling him, looking at his first.
Yes.
And when they looking at my son, I said, he has like a midnight. And I said, Lord Jesus, receive me, my God. No more would I grieve thee. Oh, blessed Redeemer. Lord, may that you save me at the cross.
Yes.
Answer, my son.
Yes.
I run, I couldn't tell you. I run such a, I'm some never as a necklace or rock stone. And I got to
Hill. Gully.
the rock stone in our tree. I
Oh.
was the party today.
Okay.
And the hood them is the eucalyptus tree. And the good when the
Eucalyptus.
sister now come, the good hide back at the tree them. And they peep down there to see if then they come. Because you know man since they come, more than they run again.
Yes.
And when they look, they see him car.
Mhm.
One man, and the man come round, and then do so. Show him,
Which part you
let
run
me
go?
gone, you know.
Okay.
He don't get me. See,
Yes.
see the one on the show, yeah.
Yes. You know,
Shaking head.
trying to see you.
And it turn up there and still turn up the head back and it tree them.
Yes.
And when it peep, then I see them come.
Yeah.
And I fly through the whole rock and the rock stone them. Trouble. And when I trouble, I go back up on one gate. I say, I wonder if I have me gate this. And
Yes.
they hear over the gate. Yes, I'm a go down to the gate.
Okay.
And when I go down to the gate and I peep over, I see one man not tall answer. In a
Yes.
full shoes of khaki.
Mm-hmm.
Clothes.
Yeah.
With the epaulet on the shoulder. That means it's a revival.
Okay.
That.
Yes.
And they felt that and in boat.
Yes.
And he said, do you want to come in? I said, yes, sir.
Okay.
And he walked in the gate. And when he walked in the gate, he locked back the gate. Now I'm going in and locked back the gate. I mean, say, where you coming from? I mean, they tell the man.
Yeah.
The man hug up me and say, nobody have better thing and a better you figure. You know, belongs to the show.
Yes.
Anyway, into the man did and the talk. So they said to me, say, they have to go in a church. Go
Yeah.
sit down. I said to him, then he said, then me one, I figure going in there, sir. He said, yes, you cannot leave the gate because him a gate man.
Okay.
You hear me tell you?
Yes.
I'm going in. Then he tell me some of me, therefore, me going in a church. Go sit down in there. My son,
Yes.
then he told me also, pure gold and silver in a church.
Eh?
They even tell you.
Yes.
And one long table from so, to quite back there so,
Yes.
spread off and cover over. Just now I don't have that idea. Fasting.
Okay.
It was a Monday.
Okay.
I the son and I made dream that and the Monday.
Yes.
And then it I was going to see the people that are roping, that I remember them, you know.
Right.
The roping, and then one of them come greet me.
Mm-hmm.
And they shake me hand.
Yes.
And they tell me, she had better than to stay.
Okay.
And I whisper, me then go, me then to stay. And yes, how you belongs to. I say, yes, sir, I'm say, yes, man. And I say, every one of them have on slippers. No close up shoes.
Okay.
Have on their slippers.
Yes.
And I sit down. And when I sit down, I see one man at the church ripe up because I remember them taught the church
Yes.
till God come.
Yeah.
And when I see this man now, ready in a long gown and a master, white like linen,
Yeah.
and I sit down. And when I sit down, him coming, that's why I see a turban wrap stand up in our head so.
Yeah.
With plaid, trim
Right.
it.
Yes. She remember everything.
Plaid cloth to me.
Yes.
And then come to me and greet me. And I said, I greet him back. And he said, you come? I said, yes, sir. He said, that's right, because I was looking for you a long time.
Okay.
And
Mm.
when it says ripe up and it ripe up what, the string on the clock. Look up to him and I say, please, sir. Me begging you a little water thirst. Me begging you a little water.
Yes.
And when me look, he come, go up on the table and take off another half plain tumbler, half pint, and try come to me. And he said, please, sir, I want for me beg. He
Yes.
said, drink it.
Yes.
And me drink it. And when me drink it, I place 3 items.
Okay.
Milk,
Mm-hmm.
honey, and wine.
Oh.
And when the drinking come to me, he said, do you know what to drink? I said, no, sir. But that's what me will know.
Okay.
But me want to know if I wrong, me wrong, right side, me wrong.
Yeah.
And he laugh. It depends on me don't know what me drink. He
Yes.
laugh.
Yes.
Him laugh.
Right.
And me laugh.
Right.
He said, I know, so you know what to drink, you know. I said, Susan. He said, yes, I know. So you know. And him, he said, me know
Yes.
what to, me know, so you know what to drink.
Right.
Me say, you know, me tell you know, sir. Me want to know if me wrong
Yes.
or me right.
Right.
And he laugh and shake me hand.
Yeah.
Now me shake back for your hand.
Okay.
So when you see me sit down here, so,
Yes.
me can read up
Mm-hmm.
because Revival Church and our Hazel Church.
Okay.
You can't find food in the good Revival Church because you have some Mungo God Church because you don't ask you.
Right.
Because the book said medical, but found a few chosen.
Amen. Amen. Yes.
And I know everybody say, Lord, Lord, they go enter up there.
Amen.
And anybody can go up there, so.
No. No.
Yeah, me tell you. So
Yes.
anybody see me sit down, I know when they go when me dead because me never work for it.
Okay.
Yes.
Amen.
Me
Yes.
working for it.
Yes.
It's just
Yes.
if you see me, they come on over there, do anything when I stay good. I hear me tell you say,
Yes.
me Sasha, no worry that thing now.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Nobody pop pick put on your ears.
No. Me listen
Yeah, what me tell
to you.
you.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Me have one grandson
Yes.
there. And
Stop it,
one day I'm
sir. Stop
coming in
it.
and he said, Grand, I say, and he laugh. I said, the reason why you like to laugh. He said, Granny, you know he's you know?
Yeah.
I said, how you know? He said, sure. He said, no, Granny, you know easy.
Yeah.
I met go fish at him, so then I want to make your sister.
Mm-hmm.
But me no bother.
Okay.
So me when daddy see me sit down and me no ramp.
Me know you know that.
Nothing big dead in the world, me no ramp it.
Okay.
Because me a hell for beat the plate of the sleep.
Okay.
And if me see them live, because me look to see the plate low head before me head them sick. And me a hell for run a time.
Alright, let me wipe your eye.
How are you from the wifey?
The little
Why you
rag.
from the pants over there?
Yes.
Me no ramp.
If you
You find me rag me the fat. You know, a fool no must can't tell me what's the time. If
Oh,
you
what's
don't
the
show me
time?
what's the time, I no can't no head.
No, it's true. 6
Yeah, me
after
land
3. I never give you for eat now. 6 minutes after 3.
Where my ready?
Married right here, someone.
Married on.
Samir.
Eat some watermelon.
Samir.
Make
You
sure
get your friend Carol.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Randy.
In the home.
Train there.
No.
Not told me you train there.
Yes, yes.
That Tony live.
In the town.
Tony live.
Yes.
Make sure eat the melon.
You know, but me know that road there.
Yeah.
Road in there.
Yeah.
Well, the sun come out. He made chicken.
Mm-hmm.
And I should know him.
Yes.
I'm asking to him about it. He said he's sick in a hospital. I said, what? I said, yes. He said, what did I say? He said, yes. He said, I no couldn't remember no say. He's sick in a hospital. Anyway, and I try my guy, they didn't come back.
Them here, yeah.
I'm not in no say, I didn't come out.
Me carry scallion on time. Me carry scallion. Smell it here. Smell this.
How about
Scallion.
what?
Scallion on time.
Tell him.
Yes, man, from St. Elizabeth. Hold
Right
it
off
here.
with me.
And look, and sorrel.
I can't hold pan it up. How are this?
Sorrel for your Christmas.
Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
You see, I can't hold them.
Yes, ma'am.
Put them in there.
Yes, ma'am, and ginger. This a ginger to make your sorrel.
The shower.
Ginger.
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 Yes.
Fish, remember.
I love you, ginger. You buying that?
Yes. And whole heap of sorrel, enough sorrel juice you can get from this sorrel.
You know what land can get free?
Oh, yes. So you have, look at this one pack of candy. Can we make sure I bring her candy? Aye.
I will make the opposite.
Give me a put in a sorry. Wait, now one bag.
You can't hold nice here.
One little bag. Sit here. Yes. And me carry a whole heap of sweetie for you. Look, feel this.
This all right then.
Sweetie.
Sweetie.
Bean.
Sweetie, mint ball. Sweetie. Okay.
You can't make me chicken.
Let me pull it for you.
Well, man, I'm trying to make me love on her.
Hello, better man. Me carry fish for you again too, but me not make sure you hold the fish this time. Last time she said the fish raw.
Give me my
Let me pull it
sweetie.
back, Granny.
She gonna give you a sweetie.
Give me sweetie.
She serious about her things.
Put it on in the bag. Let me pull it back.
Try them out, one me.
No, you open out one for her. I wish you want like the meatball.
Mint ball.
Alright. Open it. She like the meatball.
No.
That's why me mix it up, you know. Cause me remember she said doctor say
Meatball.
anytime she feel weak, she eat the sugar cause she say sugar give her energy.
How about
Mint ball. Mint ball.
mint ball?
Yes.
Put it back in the first man. Put it back in there.
Oh, she not ready for it. What does she tell you for opening?
Put it back in there and give me the bag.
Okay.
Then know again.
Yes. But me know you like those things, so me bring it for you.
I can't see them, but I know her.
Yes, ma'am. The color Luno.
I
Me just want to tell her how to try.
know
Yes, ma'am.
Look up to this man and say me long for suck.
Okay, in the bottom too. callaloo and okra and few carrot down in there.
Let me take my pillar.
Yeah.
Me not put down this.
No, just one should feel. And this a callaloo.
This over.
Callaloo.
Color.
Callaloo.
Yes.
Because no one can see me again.
Yes.
Say,
I figure she try to figure out which part to put it. And that's the thing. Me carry everything from country for you. Everything from St. Elizabeth me bring.
The fish one in there. You work hard now.
Peanut butter? You eat peanut butter? Wait there. Last time I tasted it, we do a spoon.
The work hard when you come a morning.
The spoon in a sugar something. But the last time she did say she liked the peanut butter. Yes, ma'am.
Only answer me.
Me never hear you, ma'am. Sorry.
yes, this.
What is again?
Peanut butter. Peanut butter.
How do you get that food? That's why I back it.
Yes.
Put it back in
We
there.
go put it back.
You see, she knows spoon, you know? Right.
Sorry, no.
The McDonald's here, Sandra.
You like the peanut butter? You can't eat with bread. You can't eat the peanut butter with bread, Granny.
The peanut butter. Why you eat it with?
Bread.
Bread.
Pass the bread.
Or your biscuit.
Pass in bread.
Your bread or your biscuit. See bread here. Bread.
Bread.
I want this again.
Bread.
Bread.
Yes.
Back food.
Feeling.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
put it in the basket. Look at the rest of the basket. Put it down in there.
She want to know which part everything there, so she know. Yes, yes.
You just open the basket and put it down in there.
Yes, yes, she know cantaloupe. Feel this, Granny. Cantaloupe.
How are this?
Cantaloupe.
Jackfruit.
No.
Cantaloupe.
What is this?
I think you right that is.
A cantaloupe. It come from St. Elizabeth.
I want flower.
Cantaloupe.
Jackfruit.
You know.
Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe.
Must smell it.
Me no know what I hell.
You want to taste it?
You can't go in the safe. When the workers come a morning now,
Alright then.
they send him out from restaurant gone. You know that I'm finished.
I really like Granny.
The big one up here.
Lady,
Come here.
but no kiss me lamp if you are in there.
Yes, it's full.
It's full?
Yes.
Kiss me it. Then
Yes, this is our fish.
Catch the hail.
Just tell her so she have
I
fish,
like
because she now go and touch it.
She bring fish for your fish.
Fresh fish.
Yes.
You fry.
Yes. So this have to go look about for your Sunday. Sunday, have to go look about for your Sunday. Sunday then we fry for you.
In a fry.
No, Sunday.
Tomorrow no Saturday.
Yes.
You work out the fry, man. Then you want drink before that
The
right?
one here?
Eh?
Are this all or nothing?
Yeah.
Lady.
Make it stay.
We have ice pan.
Make it stay one.
Lady,
So, what you have to go do? Carry down and carry back up? Oh.
I'm going to make me sure and take up it. Taleki.
Yeah. Alright, Granny, we have to go leave you now, you know.
You fry
You want...
you.
Oh.
Where fresh fish there?
The fish, Marie put it up for you, man, till the work. Okay, Granny.
You hear?
Yes, ma'am.
What you want from me?
You have to tell her I said the caramel and the oats.
Yeah, me I put them in a basket. So
Okay.
when the lady come now, she will carry them down.
Yeah, yeah. You have to tell him, make you know what to say.
Now make it too wise, Marie. Or too low. Because darkness me sleeping last night. Now make it too high or too low.
Alright.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, listen to me now. Me go put the rice.
Yeah?
Me go put the rice, flour, caramel, and peas in a basket. So when Miss Sharon come, she get it.
You know how only enter?
Yes.
Come, sorry.
She come to the track them out.
Yes.
So, Ms.Estella, 2 months time.
The fish not.
Alright, so Miss Shanna gonna leave you now.
That was that.
Miss Shanna gonna leave you. Miss Shanna go back home.
I already cover for this, yeah.
Marie, she want the cover for this.
I'm going to find the cover for Harry.
Yes, Marie, find it. Never leave you now, Granny. Never leave you. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
I probably read me the farm food.
Yes.
I do not want to come at to do that conference. I will not come back.
Okay. Alright.
But me get the farm food.
Me understand, man.
Again.
Yes. Rain have come.
I probably could have been sleep properly.
Yes.
I come now, do not more, I cannot come to me.
Okay.
I can spend time in a week
Right.
or 2 weeks.
Okay.
I come back.
Yes, man. Me know, man.
But me the farm food can't manage that again.
Me understand. And 2 months time, you have 106. Man,
Can't manage that again.
God give you only for years, man. Me I go leave you now. Me I go back to St. Elizabeth.
I don't leave you now.
Yeah, the rain a come.
Rain.
Yes.
Marie,
Yes, Granny.
I want to do you know if you fast me do with the iron on your mouth.
Yes, yes.
Alright.
So I just,
So Miss Sharon figure now, cause rain a come.
I just say,
Oh, see me here, man. See me here.
how is this?
Miss Shan, Miss Shan.
Miss Frank,
Yes,
are
man.
you guys this?
Yes.
You know what the woman who work here, that put after me.
Yeah, me hear about her. But me
What about him?
yes.
I was still thinking that now.
Alright, we're not come, we're to room.
Yes,
Yes.
you can't fast me do my way.
Yes, yes.
But take care.
Really high
Alright.
God bless you and take care.
God have fed me, keeping on, guiding on, blessing on, sanctifying another year.
Amen. You too.
Believe you know to God, we go before and lead the way.
Amen.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Alright.
Found again.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright, Ms.Estella. Yes. Alright, Ms.Estella.
Yes, we go fast me. Yes.
Alright. Of that tree.